In this video, I'll show you how to clear any paper jam on your Brother HL-L2405W printer. I'll show you different ways on where to look for any stuck paper. Alright, so the first step is to disconnect this printer from the power source. These laser printer can get very warm once they print, so I don't want you to burn your fingers or anything like that. So go in the back of the printer and unplug it. Before doing anything else, I suggest you wait at least 2 or 3 minutes so the printer cools down. So the first place where I suggest looking is to open the input paper tray, pull the drawer completely out, make sure that all this paper over here is okay, there's no twisted paper, nothing wrong with it, and then take a look inside right over here. You can go very deep in the printer. So squat down, look over there and check if there is any debris, any stuck paper, anything weird going on. If everything is fine, I suggest you open this top drawer and pull out the ink cartridge, the ink toner with the drum. Go ahead and remove the ink toner by pressing this small green tab. And again, make sure that there's no stuck paper in this small carriage or over here. Okay, everything is good. Also take a look inside of the printer. If you have anything paper that is twisted, that is stuck there, take a pair of tweezers or maybe your fingers, go over there, take them out. Now let's put this back. Put it back. Put it back. Put this drawer back as well. And if we turn the printer the other way, we're gonna notice over here we have a small tab sticking out. Take it and pull it down. This is the last place I suggest to check. If you have any stuck paper around this roller over there, well, again, take it out with your fingers or a pair of tweezers. Once you have found the paper jam, you remove it. Go ahead and connect back the printer to the power source. The printer will turn on by itself and hopefully the error will be gone and you'll be able to print again. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.